Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, today we shall study one of the important topics of English subject, that is letter writing. Student, this video is for all the students who are studying in 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th and 10th standard as well. Students, this video is very important. It will help you to secure or score minimum 5 marks, student. So stay tuned till last. Student, first of all, let me tell you what is mean by letter or what is letter, student. Yes, in olden days, to convey the message, to send the message, people used letter, okay, if they wanted to convey or if they wanted to pass the message, or if you wanted to communicate with other people, most of the people use what? The letter. Okay, and see student here, nowadays in olden days the writing way of letter is different one, but nowadays in modern era the format of writing letter is different one. So here what we are going to understand today, the two types of letter and the format of letter, how to write a letter. So student, here letter is one of the important sources of communication. That's it, and it is very simple, student. Once you know the format of writing letter, you can write any kind of letter, student. Okay, so here you know why do we write letter. Okay. For example, most of the time, just now I have told you, if you want to communicate with others, if you want to share your feelings, thoughts, opinions, okay, and if the people or the person whom do you wanted to communicate, if he is living far away from us, then we write a letter. With the help of letter, we can share our thoughts, opinions, or ideas to others people. Okay, students. So here there are two types of letter. One is informal letter and second one is formal letter. Then when do we use informal letter and when do we use formal letter? That is also very important, students. Okay, students. So let's try to understand when do we use informal letter and when do we use formal letter. Now see students here. See students, just now I have told you there are two types of letter. One is informal letter and second one is formal letter. When do we use informal letter? हम informal letter यानी कि अनौपचारिक पत्र लेखन कब करते हैं, किससे करते हैं? तो देखो, these are the letters written to close associates. Okay students. तो informal letter हम जो हमारे नजदीक लोग होते हैं, ओके, उनके लिए हम लेटर यह लिखते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पेरेंट्स को अगर लिखना है तो हम इनफॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, यानी कि पेरेंट्स, रिलेटिव्स, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, ग्रैंडमदर, ग्रैंडफादर और क्लोज फ्रेंड्स, ओके, उनके लिए हम इनफॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फिर इनफॉर्मल लेटर का लिखने का तरीका अलग है. द फॉर्मेट ऑफ राइटिंग इनफॉर्मल लेटर इज डिफरेंट वन देन द फॉर्मल लेटर. नाउ फॉर्मल लेटर हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब भी किसी ऑफिशियल्स को हम लेटर लिखते हैं तो फॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फिर कभी कभी हम बिजनेस पर्पस के लिए लेटर लिखते हैं, तभी हम इनफॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी ऑफिसर इन द इंस्टीट्यूशन, एनी इंस्टीट्यूशन, गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन और प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशन, तब हम फॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रिंसिपल को अगर लेटर लिखना है तो फॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. टीचर को लिखना है तो फॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. फिर कोई भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस में जो ऑफिसर्स होते हैं उनको अगर लेटर लिखना है तो हम क्या फॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. फिर फॉर्मल लेटर कब इस्तेमाल किया जाता है कि अगर कोई इंक्वायरी है, अगर कोई कंप्लेंट हमें करना है, कोई इंफॉर्मेशन हमें गैदर करनी है, ठीक है, और फिर बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन अगर करना है तो उस वक्त हम फॉर्मल लेटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो दिस इज द शॉर्ट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट informal and formal letter, student. Okay, I understood. Now in this video I would like to share you the format of informal letter today. Okay, then the format of formal letter I will share it in the next video. So let's try to understand the format of letter, student, because understanding the format is very important. Once if you know the format, then you can write letter, okay, properly. Otherwise it will be difficult to score good marks in letter writing. So first of all, let's try to understand the format of letter. See student here. Now format of informal letter and the formal letter is block format. Student, what is block format? So in olden days when we used to write letter, so where do we used to write the address? On the right top of the page we used to write, means here. This is the right top of the page. So here we used to write the address. But right now, according to the new format of letter, we have to write all the things on the left hand side of the page. If this is a page to which you are facing, So left hand side, the top left hand side we have to write, we have to begin the writing letter. So here we have to begin on the left hand side. Understood, student? Then first of all, see, this format is derived from the email, because right now in the modern era we are using emails to communicate. Okay, so here that format is used. So all is aligned on the left hand side. Okay, students? Yeah. Now the first step of informal letter is here on the top left hand side we have to write the sender's address. Sender's address means what, student? The writer's address. The student, the person who is writing the letter, his address we have to mention here. Okay, now when we write the address here, okay, after each line of the address we have to give comma, okay, till the end. At the last, okay, at the last we have to give full stop. Don't forget it, student. Okay, yes. Now student, in email, while writing email, sometimes we do not give comma, otherwise what? Full stop, student. So while typing the email we can use that kind of format, but here we have to use commas after each line of the address. Okay, then after that we have to leave one line. We have to give a space of a single line, space of a single line. Understood? So we have to leave a space of single line. After that we have to write the second one, that is the date. Okay, so now one of the important thing is here we have to write direct date here. Okay, there is no need to write date like this. Okay, like this there is no need to write date and then mentioning the date, for example like this. Okay, so it is not necessary. This is not necessary. Writing date is not necessary. Direct we can write this date. Understood, students? Yes. Then after writing this date, see student, each step has marks. So when you will write the address, okay, so half mark you will get the correct address. And while writing the sender's address, there is no need to write our full name. Just address you can write. So half mark you will get. Okay, till the half mark you will get till this. Understood? Address and the date. Now salutation. The third step is salutation. What is salutation, student? Whenever we begin a letter, okay, any letter, formal or informal, but we are talking here about informal letter. So it should start with dear. Okay, dear, whatever, dear friend, dear mother, dear parents. Okay, for example, dear brother. Okay, if you are writing letter to brother, if you are writing to your friend, okay, any friend, for example, your friend, okay, dear Sanjay. Otherwise, dear, what we can say, any name. Okay, students? Yeah, got it? So in this way, this is called as salutation. So salutation will get half mark again. Okay, so don't forget. Now, after this, again, we have to leave one space of a single line, and after that we have to start writing. Okay, writing the main body of the letter. The main body of the letter, this is the fourth step. Okay, step wise you have to move, student. And here for the main body you will get 2.5 marks, student. Now here minimum, while writing the body of the letter, it should be related to your subject, whatever is subject mentioned in the topic, that you have to follow. Okay, now student, here in the letter minimum 3 paragraphs should be there. Okay, it is not exactly 3, 2 can be there. Okay, but minimum 3 paragraphs should be there. For example, initial statement, the main part of the letter, and the concluding line. In this, while writing the informal letter, you can use language as per the type of letter. So it is informal letter. So affectionative, the words related to affection, love, okay, friendship, that you can use here, and to whom you are writing, that also. So emotions you can express here in this letter. So start writing from the margin of the page. I have told you margin of the page. It should align from the left hand side margin of the page. Okay, and make enough paragraph. Just now I have told you minimum 3 paragraphs should be there, student. Okay, understood? So this is the main body of the letter. So minimum 2.5 marks you will get here. Now student, after concluding of main body of the letter, we have to write the subscription. This is the fifth part and the last part, that is called as a subscription. What is subscription, student? When we finish our letter writing, we should write the subscription. And subscription can be written in this way: yours lovingly, yours affectionately. Okay, this is informal letter, so we can use lovingly or affectionately. Okay, students. Otherwise, in formal letter, we can't use such kind of words. Okay. Now here one of the important thing, when we write yours, Y-O-U-R, yours, we should not use apostrophe here. We should not use apostrophe here. So just we have to write yours, Y-O-U-R, yours lovingly. Okay. So this also you will got what? Half marks. Okay, student. Understood now? So here this and subscription after yours lovingly or affectionately, you have to write a full name, your full name. Here in sender's address there is no need to write the full name of the sender, but here you have to write the full name. Okay. In examination, in the topic of the letter, if name is given, then you can mention the same name there. Okay, there is no need to change the name. Okay, if the name is mentioned in the topic of the letter. Otherwise, you can write an imaginary name here. Okay, students, understood now? Yes. Okay, and so see, student, half mark, 1 mark, 2.5, 3.5. Then this is half. Okay, 4 marks. Okay, total 4 marks, and plus 1 mark for grammar, language, presentation, whatever. Okay, so 1 mark can be given to the presentation correctness, grammatical correctness, and presentation of your letter. Understood, student? So this is the format of the informal letter. This is called as a block format of the letter. Okay, understood? Yes. So here now I would like to give you a simple example of a letter. With the help of a picture I will show you. Once you understand this format, you have to follow this format only. And one of the important things, student, when you are making 3 paragraphs, okay, when you are making 3 paragraphs, we have to leave double space in between the 3 paragraphs. Here the space should be there. Okay, why space should be there? So that we can understand you are making paragraph there. This can be a single line space, otherwise double line space will be there. Okay, this space can be double line space. Okay, 2 lines, otherwise a single line also you can leave. Understood? Now student, let's have an example very quickly, student, so that you can understand. See the topic, student, topic is given. Write a letter to your friend telling him about the plans of Ganesh Chaturthi vacation. So student, here sender's name is not given, who is inviting. So imaginary as well as the address is not given in the topic. And in this case, then you can write an imaginary address, student. Okay, so now see, this first is sender's address. We can see here the first part is sender's address, student. Okay, and here comma is given. That is important, student. Comma is given at the last, full stop is given. So this is sender's address. Sender's address. Okay, student. Now here one space is given. The space is given here. Okay, and then after that date is written. Only date has written. Okay, not date, D-A-T-E hasn't written, and there is no need to write this date. Just we have to put a correct date now. Then after that a space is given again. Space is given, and this is the salutation. Okay, student, salutation is given. Now after that the paragraph started. The first paragraph is started here. How does it start? See, hope you are fine. It has been almost 2 weeks I heard from you. How is your family? I am sure that all will be fine. So this first initial paragraph shows that initial or introductory paragraph, we can say. Introductory or initial paragraph. So here, student, we have to leave 1 line, otherwise 2 lines we can leave. The second paragraph starts here, from here to here. I am writing this letter to you because within few days Ganesh Chaturthi vacation will begin. Hence I am planning to meet you in the vacation and enjoy the Ganesh Chaturthi celebration. Bappa will arrive at my home on 19th of September. So I hope you will join us and enjoy. So this paragraph is the main part of the body. Main part of the body of the letter. Okay, students. So again we have to leave 1 single line, otherwise double line we can see. And this paragraph, what does it show? See, student, I will be waiting for your positive response. Bring your younger sister with you. I will be very happy. Give my love to all the family members. Meet you soon. So this is the concluding sentence. Okay, student. So this is conclusion. Okay, concluding lines or conclusion we can say. So in this way 3 paragraphs, minimum 3 paragraphs we have to do, and the last part is called as a subscription. Okay, students. So how it is written? See, yours affectionately. No comma is there, and here you have to write the full name. Okay, student, have you understood this much? Very good. So, student, once you understand the format of the letter, then you can write correctly the informal letter. Dear students, in the next video, we are going to learn the format of formal letter with the example. Dear students, if you have liked this video and found it useful to you, then do not forget to like it, share it, and subscribe it. ओके स्टूडेंट, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर यह वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, उपयुक्त लगा होगा, तो शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, और मेरे चैनल पे अगर आप नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू। बी कनेक्टेड फॉर मोर एंड मोर सच वीडियोज। बी स्टडियस, बी थॉटफुल एंड बी कनेक्टेड।